Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri rang ba kejela Conrad sangma uloong baka Sorkar kadang bishar benia bha halor kajing dawa kinong hikai ha kabaydei bat kajing penkeu ya katulop ha bakran chikila pathai kubor Conrad uloong baka jing dawa jong kinong hikai kalong ka bapher khandiat bat omla ban menjur tang ya kawei ka kanhun kinong hikai kumta na kalyang ka Sorkar kadang haban pet benia lut ya ki benta jong Baroh ki kanhun nong hikai bat on sa shim ya karai shu uloong Baroh kidon ni ka Jingsngewkhia bat omla ban kentat ya kata kumta ka Sorkar ru ka hab ban pet ya ki Jingduna ki ba kidon khnang ban la ban pentelun ya ka kam.
In their case, the situation is slightly different. We have concerns, and they're of course asking for an enhancement. So it's not that they're not getting salaries on time. I mean, there's sometimes delay a few months or so, but they're getting the salaries on time. Their issue is different. Their issue is not about non-payment of salary. Their issue is they want an enhancement on the salary package. Government is examining all these aspects because these are all connected. Once we agree to enhancement in, say, one particular group of teachers, say the SSA, then of course we have the ad hoc to school teachers, then we have the other groups that are there. And so we have to look at all the other aspects and then take a decision. So therefore it is complicated because it has got larger ramifications throughout, and we have to see concerns. Obviously everybody has concerns and everybody's concerns are genuine. I don't deny that. But we also have to see the limitations that we have and see how we can take things forward. But I would like to categorically mention that the statement made by you is not correct. That it's no question of bailing out anybody. In teachers, the salaries are being paid on time. They are asking for enhancement. Whereas district council, they are not able to pay the salaries on time. Garo is district council, and that is why there is a different case scenario.